This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're signed in. Now go directly to YouTube settings, then History and Privacy. This is where search is live. Once there, tap Clear Search History to remove recent queries and use Pause Search History to stop future logging. You do this because YouTube uses searches to shape suggestions and recommendations. Clearing resets that signal. Make sure to confirm any prompts, and remember that deleting search history doesn't remove watch history. Those are separate controls. You can remove single searches by opening My Activity or YouTube Search History and tapping Delete next to an item. This is useful when you want to keep most history but remove sensitive queries. Once done, use filters by date or product to bulk delete a week, month, or all time. Choose the range, confirm, and Google will purge those records. Make sure to check both YouTube app and web, since entries can appear on either. Synchronized accounts reflect changes across devices. After clearing, refresh YouTube and verify the search history list is empty. This confirms the action completed. If recommendations or suggested searches still appear, clear the app cache, sign out and back in, or remove specific cookies. Those steps force updated signals. Once done, revisit Google account activity controls to manage auto-delete rules or pause tracking. If problems persist, it's often a sync delay. Wait a few minutes, then repeat the delete. That usually resolves lingering suggestions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.